Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free avatar decorations on Discord for your profile picture. So obviously for these ones you have to purchase it. But if you want free ones, just go to Discover and go to the quest section, and here is where you can kind of claim free free avatar decorations. So some of the games here are free, some of them you have to pay for it, like Split Fiction. But if you do have the game, you get a free avatar decoration. You just need to select accept quest, and you need to play the game for at least 15 minutes. And it will only be available on your profile for 2 months, so just keep that in mind if you lost it. There's a bunch of that have expired, as you can see, but there are new ones that you can claim. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.